In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Zoho mail account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to choose, and what to type so you can get your mailbox ready without any confusion. All you need is a web browser, a stable internet connection, and a strong password you're comfortable remembering or saving in a password manager. Start by opening your browser and navigating directly to www.zoho.com/mail. Type it into the address bar at the top and press enter. You should see Zoho's mail page load. If you happen to land on Zoho's main site, just look for the mail product and continue from there. Make sure you're on a secure page with the lock icon in the address bar, which indicates a trusted connection. Next, choose whether you want a business email or a personal email. Business email is best if you're setting up mail for a company or using your own domain, like yourname@yourcompany.com. It's designed for teams and administration. Personal email is ideal if you just need a single free mailbox for individual use, typically with an address that ends in zoho.com. Pick the option that matches your needs today. You can always explore advanced features later. You'll then be asked for your name. Enter the name you'd like recipients to see when they get an email from you. Use proper capitalization and a professional display format such as first last, so your messages look polished in every inbox. After that, enter your email information. If you're creating a personal account, this is where you choose your new Zoho mail address, the part before the @ so pick something simple, available, and easy to share. If you're setting up a business account, you may be asked for a work or admin contact email that will be associated with the account. Double check spelling here. A small typo can cause issues later. Now create a strong password. Aim for a long passphrase or a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal details and reuse across sites. If you use a password manager, let it generate and store a secure password for you. When everything looks correct, click Sign Up Now. If the button is disabled or an error appears, review the fields for any red highlights or hints until they're all valid. Once you submit, Zoho will take you forward to complete the account setup flow. That's it. The core creation is done. Keep your login details in a safe place, and you'll be ready to start sending and receiving messages with your new Zoho mail account.